Time now for Trading Nation, because traders trade better together. Let's check out Netflix soaring after reporting earnings. Rich Ross with Evercore ISI, Dennis Davitt, Harvest Volatility Management. Dennis, when you look at the volatility, the options action, whatever it is you want to look at in Netflix, where does it tell you the stock may be going? We know where it's been.
Right, and it's tough to give much credibility to options. We were looking at a 10% move in the options market going into this earnings call, and I think a lot of people expected it to be the downside, but it was to the upside at 20%. The one thing I look at is there's currently a large open interest in the stock. It's not very well liked by a lot of people. We're still seeing people are in buying the at-the-money or the $120 calls today. So there's a good amount of short covering going on. I think there's short covering going on in the options market in the stock.
Okay, before we get to Rich, if you had to guess how much of the 19% gain is just short covering and not buyers coming in because they like the story, is there a way to figure that out?
Well, I mean, one thing you can do is you can look at where the stock just opened up. I mean, the stock was trading up 10 or 15% right after the number last night. So there's not a whole lot of retail buyers that come in after the market's closed. So the professionals were in there buying the stock before the market opened, hoping to get in front of whatever mistake they had made.
Rich Ross, how does the chart look?
Yeah, Brian, it looks a lot better today, I can tell you that. And in the short term, look, we have this base breakout. The base been forming for most of the year. That breakout now projects upside to the old highs around 129, 130. But I think what's really interesting for the stock, Brian, going forward is that longer-term weekly chart. When you zoom out and you look at that 3-year weekly, I think we're looking at a setup very similar to that 2013, 2015 setup where the stock moved sideways there for almost 18 months, has a pullback to that 100-week and a massive breakout off the 100-week, which provides the catalyst for a trading range breakout and a strong move higher. If we were able to surmount that $130 high-end resistance of that well-defined trading range, you could project another $50 of upside for the stock. I'm not telling you it goes there overnight. I'm just saying above 130, this stock can go meaningfully higher. And we do think that in the short to intermediate term, you do get a test of that 130 level.
All right, Rich and Dennis, thank you both very much. For more Trading Nation, go to our website, tradingnation.cnbc.com.
Earnings season can spell opportunity, and using the right strategy can help you take advantage of it. However, earnings season can just as easily spell disaster if you use the wrong strategy or if your forecast is incorrect. Sometimes what separates experienced traders from novices isn't just how they try to profit on earnings season, but also how they attempt to limit risks.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the I right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.